The BMW Motorrad VISION NEXT100 is BMW's revolutionary concept motorcycle designed to represent what motorcycling might look like in the next century. Unveiled as part of BMW's centenary celebrations, this futuristic two-wheeler blends cutting-edge technology with emotional, human-centric design. The bike is fully electric and features a self-balancing system that keeps it upright whether moving or stationary. This technology not only enhances safety, but also removes the need for a traditional kickstand or training wheels. BMW aims to create a riding experience that feels liberated and analog, yet supported by digital intelligence. Riders won't need helmets or protective gear, as the motorcycle's systems are designed to prevent accidents before they occur. Design-wise, the VISION NEXT100 reflects a bold departure from conventional motorcycle aesthetics, while honoring BMW's heritage. The frame, known as the flex frame, is a single, flowing carbon structure that adjusts for steering without the use of joints. Its clean, minimalist look is futuristic, yet retains echoes of the classic BMW Motorrad design with a visible boxer engine-inspired block. But unlike traditional models, this power unit is purely stylistic, housing an emission-free electric powertrain. The bike's tires also play an active role in adaptation, adjusting tread dynamically to suit road conditions. The emphasis is on a seamless blend of form, function, and emotion, offering riders not just a mode of transport, but an immersive, high-tech experience. Perhaps the most innovative feature is the BMW Digital Companion, a suite of intelligent systems that acts like an invisible co-pilot. This AI-powered assistant monitors road conditions, provides navigation cues through a special pair of smart glasses, and even corrects errors or dangers in real time without taking control away from the rider. This augmented reality interface ensures the rider remains fully immersed in the experience while being guided safely and intuitively. In essence, the BMW Motorrad VISION NEXT100 is not just a concept. It is a vision of freedom, safety, and connectivity, redefining what it means to ride in the next century.